Moors, first of all, right? And we put all of our paperwork in, and right now our nephew has been, we had considered this like kidnapped.
I brought my positive
from school, and this is the paperwork I brought the judge that was concerning this case. And here's what we filed. This is our treaty, and here, as far as his status, him being a Moor, part of our society. It should be where we recorded it with the county recorder, right?
Oh, okay.
That's it. That's him. That's what we brought the judge for the case. We were only coming to avertment of jurisdiction. And we did come.
Okay.
All this is on file.
So he has a pending case, correct?
Yeah, evidently there was a warrant, and it's a mistake because actually there would be kidnapping due to the fact that we were averting jurisdiction.
Okay.
So we don't want to, like, blow it out, but we don't want him kidnapped either. He's downtown now. The sheriff's office needs the judge to...
If he has a pending case, the judge is not.
It's not pending, ma'am. It's not a pending case.
He doesn't have an open case.
No, it's not an open case, but the warrant they put on him, issued on him, it was in default, so we don't want to make it a big issue, but I'm on my way right down here right now to the post office because I had alerted the Ohio Bar, and they're sending me paperwork for as far as misconduct on judges and attorneys, and I don't want to take it that far. I just want to release it, basically. First and foremost, so we don't get off on the wrong foot, we always like to state that we're non-combatant. We're not at war with, U.S. or any, like, Article 1s or 2 courts. The only thing we can go to is district courts as Moors. We're within the fold of the Constitution, and they're actually infringing on inalienable rights.
Okay.
Man, one more thing. I don't want to overload you on this, but Erie Railroad versus Tompkins, 1938. There's no case, there's no law, no contract. Definitely need to see a contract. My nephew might try some contract.
Okay. He does have an open case, and due to that fact, then the judge is unable to accept anything like
this. Paperwork was down here even before the case came, because we didn't come to plead.
This is the same thing that you've already...
Yeah, submitted way before the case came. We always put our paperwork in first, because we want to know who we deal with, because in due process law, status is first and foremost. So we made our status clear for the record as being more. So yes, all this was done properly. And I mean, we study law every day. Last 2 years, me and my brother here, my mom is the new tribal member of the Danbay tribe and Bidden Ishmael tribe. And we're not, like I said, we're law abiding, but the legality system that you guys are reporting, we're just not a part of that. Don't want to make waves like that, but we actually are infringing. There's many laws that states this. Yeah. And the judge's oath, now the contract and his oath, we would definitely require. It's in the thing if it comes to that. So.
Okay, I'll give that to him.
Okay. Now Kessler, the one I was asking you about, Workman was supposed to be his judge. When we came here, they switched him to Kessler. Basically, we need to know, we need the contract still. Who signed his warrant? The judge has to sign it. Yeah, one copy to find. This is for you guys. Remember, the top of this one. The top of this one, yeah. The top of the other paperwork I left, which was just this, it was notarized and all that good stuff. Did you also give that to the judge as well, please?
We'll file this in the courthouse.
Okay.
So when do you know anything about when he can be?
Well, if you can post a cash bond, then he'll be released. Otherwise, he has to wait in jail until his case is rescheduled.
So I'm saying, when is this cash bond?
Yeah, we have a full schedule the rest of the week.
So let me get this straight.
$7,500, but then there would be like
10%.
state fees on this. No.
Okay. I'll tell you what, you guys, we'll hold the state fees. Don't worry about it.
I just wanted to know.
Yeah, I want to know too. I mean, that's kind of like,
Because I already had put up one bond. What did the bond I had put up, that's no good?
No, they forfeited that bond because he didn't show up for court. He has to, when he's issued a court appearance, he has to appear.
man, we still get a contract from that case.
I don't know what you mean. Contract.
Anything, a contract between us and you guys where we allowed you to have jurisdiction over us and we're sovereigns.
Okay, now-
It's in the contract. No contract, no case.
She's already answered your questions, okay? You're gonna need to leave.
Man, boy.
Need to leave.
Man, who are you?
I'm the
Who are you?
prosecutor, the chief
Let
prosecutor.
me see your credentials.
I don't need to show you my credentials.
There's nothing here to prosecute.
You need to leave, okay?
Ma'am, you speak to me.
You're starting to ask her questions that are outside of the
For a
jurisdiction of the
contract?
court.
Ma'am, do you have a contract?
That is a civil matter,
By any
okay?
chance, do you have the contract? Don't touch my paperwork.
Oh.
That's an assault. Don't do
An
that, ma'am.
assault? You would
Yes.
have to go through me
I'll
to
call the
file
police on
it.
you. That's an assault. Don't do
An
that, ma'am.
assault? You would
Yes.
have to go through me
I'll
to
call the
file
police
it.
on you. I don't
Hey,
care.
Gary, he's
Gary?
starting to get loud.
She's starting to get
He
loud in
needs to
here.
leave.
She needs to get out of my space because I'm
He's
asking for a
asking
contract.
questions
I'm
that have
asking for
nothing
the
to do with
contract
the
for my
court's
nephew's
jurisdiction
case.
in criminal cases.
Ma'am, you have no jurisdiction over here, nobody over here. So I don't know what you're doing as a third-party intervener in our business. As
You need to
more-
leave, sir.
I need to
You need to
contract,
leave
sir.
now. Sir, come on.
Look who's hollering. Look who's screaming.
That's how they act. That's
You need to
ubiquitous.
leave. Come on.
Here's my paperwork here. You signed that warrant? Okay. Go over your oath.
It's all videotaped.
It's all videotaped.
It's all videotaped.
It's all videotaped. Thank you. You guys are good actors. Security?
Excuse me. This is funny. We asked for the Constitution, they get loud. We asked for the Constitution of the United States. And we get loud, belligerent.
Gary. All right, Gary, you got a last name. Give me your full
No,
name.
that's enough.
Gary. You gonna give me your name? As a public servant, you're required to give me your name. I could ask for ID. Gary, you
Bond
have ID
number.
on you?
Yeah, let's go.
Gary.
Bond number?
We'll get your bond number and all that stuff off the internet. You guys are gonna stop reporting this chicanery around here with us,
It's not law.
all right? Don't get us mixed up with Negro, blacks, or coloreds. Don't get us mixed up.
We're Moors, Moroccans.
You're
Gary, why
person,
wouldn't
sir.
you- Gary.
I'll help.
Gary, aren't you proud of your job here? Why didn't you want to give me your name and all that good stuff? Huh? Do you have credentials? Delegation authority order, anything like that? Nothing? Okay. Just some thoughts.
In light of our homeland security, to protect from all foreign invaders,
They warn against the Constitution as well.
foreign British,
Openly
in
warn
English.
against the Constitution.
Did you have something to get from over here?
Do you have anything over there?
Yeah.
Nobody took your.
You got your ticket? Did they give you for, make sure we got the right thing back?
This is not mine.
Did you grab your ticket then? Somebody did take it up there.
Okay. Yeah, That's why we get the tickets, make sure we get the right ones back to you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Guys, useful for something, maybe.
Sorry?
I'm sorry? I said you're useful for something, maybe. I don't like these people, man.
It's blood.
Yeah, I know, but I just wanted to get as long as made our stand.
It's videotape, man.
Yeah, you got
That's
it?
videotape,
Good,
man.
my
This is
man.
a case, bro.
My man, good.
This is a case,
That's why I
man.
wanted you to come, bro. This is a witness for one. I know I'm ambassador of media. Good, you